What's the meaning of bus shelter? Bus shelter. Bus shelter.
Bus shelter. Bus shelter. A bus shelter is a small covered structure used as a waiting area for passengers at a bus stop. It provides shelter from the elements such as rain, snow, and sun while waiting for a bus to arrive. Bus shelters are typically made of glass, metal, or plastic and may include seating, lighting, and signage. They can also serve as advertising space or display information about bus schedules and routes. Bus shelters are an essential part of public transportation infrastructure and help improve the comfort and convenience of riders.